Okay, let's talk about grid reconstructions. So, unfortunately, sometimes through either fault of a consultant or just life happening and getting behind on Sisterlock maintenance, or medications that's being taken, there can be a time where your grid seems like it just completely disappeared. You have locks that have combined, some that are hanging on by a thread, things like that. And a lot of people, they just say, oh, whatever, I'm just done with this. I'm just going to cut it off and start all over. And that's one option. But sometimes you can think that it's really bad, but a licensed and seasoned Sisterlock consultant can still be of help. And so I would recommend you to meet with her or him and discuss your situation specifically. I know I personally have worked with a lot of people, as a matter of fact, today, that have gone extensive amount of time for whatever reason, military travel, their consultant moved or passed away or something, and they just were not able to get anyone to answer them back, so that they could get an appointment, and life just keeps going. And so they have extensive new growth damage, the grid's gone, and you can go in and have that repaired. If it's holes, there's ways to do bridges to repair locks that are thinning. And again, each situation is different, but it is an option and something that you should be aware of. So if you have any questions specifically about thinning hair or locks that are severely damaged, Sisterlocks or any, please feel free to leave me a question in the comment box, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks.